Hi guys, welcome back. So today's tutorial is going to be on this eye makeup I'm wearing right now. The palette I used today is the Melisa Michelle, the YouTube beauty vlogger. I love her. If you guys don't know who she is, you gotta check her out. She is so fun. She herself is going through a lot of changes. So anyways, if you watch her, you'll see she's really cool. Yeah, I'm going to be using this palette today to create this eye look. This has been one of my favorite 2017 palettes that I've used constantly. I'll show you how much love I've shown this palette. Yeah, I've shown it quite a lot of love. Everything in here works for me, and that's why I use it. So yeah, if you want to see, then obviously you have to keep watching. I'm going to ask you to please share my channel, you guys. Share my videos on your Instagram, on your Twitter, anywhere. Just share, because it helps me grow my channel. It helps me stay motivated. And right now YouTube is going through a lot of changes, and I need to be out there more. You know, I need my channel to be viewed more, and the only way that happens is if you share, because if you share, you give me the opportunity to be seen by other people. So yeah, if you can do that for me, I will appreciate it so much. So with that said, make sure you are subscribed, follow my other social medias, and watch my previous videos. And let's get started. The first eyeshadow I'm using is Rosemary, which is this one right here. And I'm using a Smashbox tapered blending brush for this application. I'm going to be applying this on my upper crease. This will be my transition shade. And as you can see, I'm holding my brush from the top down. And I'm just going from outer to inner corner. And I'm going to wave it out at the end and just bring it up into, like, I'm creating a wing. So I'm going in, up, down, and winging it. That's how I'm making this application. Because I'm trying to extend my eye a little bit more. The next eyeshadow I'm using is a Bing Bing, which is this one right here. And I'm using a Morphe M412 brush, which looks like this. It's a blending brush, but it's kind of a pointed blending brush, if you can see. So I'm just gonna pick up Bing Bing with the tip of the brush, dust it off a little bit, and I'm gonna do the same thing I just did with Rosemary, but I'm gonna keep it a little bit lower. And I'm gonna keep most of this on my outer portion of the eye. So I'm gonna start over here, and I'm gonna start buffing it in and up into that wing that I've created, the eyeshadow wing. And I'm gonna keep it on my outer V right here. I just buff that out. The way I like to do my eyeshadow, I like to apply, buff, and then apply some more, and then buff, and then apply some more. I'm gonna grab a little bit more and place it right here, my outer V, and still drag it up into that eyeshadow wing. And just buff the edges. Wow, this is a busy noise morning. It's like 8:45 right now in the morning. I hear my neighbor's dog crying over there. But he does this howling noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Anyway, I have my son coughing over there. It is a weekday and he should be in school, but he has asthma and he's on the every 4-hour treatment. So he's off school today. And in a little bit, I have to leave because I have to take my daughter for her physical. So busy morning. The next eyeshadow I'm using is Wheezy, and it's this one right here. And I'm just using a BH Cosmetics flat shader brush. And I'm just gonna pop that right onto that brow bone. I'm gonna grab the blending brush again and just buff that, just so I can have a nice seamless transition. All right, now I'm gonna go into Harley, which is this one right here, and I'm using a Luxie 229 taper blending brush, and I'm going to tap this on my outer V, and I'm just gonna place it where I want it, which is just the outer V, just to deepen that V area right here. So I'm placing it on the lid, bringing it up into that eyeshadow wing and into the crease. Just placing it right now. All right, now I'm gonna go back to that Morphe M412 brush that I used with Bing Bing and blend out Bing Bing right along with Harley. I just wanted to deepen my outer V, that's why I applied Harley. If you didn't want to deepen it, you could have just kept it as Bing Bing. All right, now I'm going to be taking Lola, which is right here, and I'm using a Morphe G20 brush, and I'm going to be placing Lola on my mobile lid. I'm just going to pack that right here. All right, now I want to blend out Lola with Bing Bing and Harley. So I'm just taking the Morphe M412 brush that I was using, and I'm using it on this side and just blending that out a little bit. So moving on to my lower lash line, I'm going to take Harley, and I'm using a Morphe M432 brush, and I'm going to be placing Harley on my lower lash line, but I'm only going to keep it halfway. So I'm just gonna stamp it right in the lashes. I'm gonna take this Makeup Geek Smoky Eye brush, and I'm gonna go into Bing Bing, which is here, and I'm going to buff that right under Harley. And make sure you connect it with that wing that you just created, that eyeshadow wing. So I just cleaned off this Makeup Geek Smoky Eye brush, and now I'm going to go into Rosemary, which is this one right here. And I'm going to buff that right under Harley and Bing Bing. So now taking this Makeup Geek Outer V brush, I'm gonna go into the highlight, the Holler highlight, which is this one right here. I'm gonna go to the center one, which is the gold portion. I'm gonna pick up some on my brush, and I'm gonna be using this on my inner tear duct highlight and under my lower lash line, just to connect my lower lashes, what I've created under my lower lashes with Bing Bing, Harley, and Rosemary. And I'm just gonna connect that right there. Well, you'll see what I'm doing. Let's go into the tear duct highlight right here, and then I'm gonna drag it and connect it. And this will open up my eye, because we're starting from light to dark. All right, so that's it for the eyeshadows. We're moving on to mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And you guys, I'm sorry if I sound a little off today. I'm just a little worried about what's going on with the whole YouTube thing, all the changes that are happening right now. You know, it's very discouraging for us little channels. So I don't know, it's just a little discouraging. But, you know, I love doing this, so I'm going to continue doing the videos. I'm going to continue uploading. Hopefully the channel picks up. Hopefully you guys start sharing, start viewing, start subscribing, start commenting, and all that stuff that we need in order to succeed in the channel. So yeah, I'm just a little discouraged, but I'm going to continue this for as long as I can. So yeah, I'm sorry if I sound a little bit different. Anyways, let's go in with the mascara. I'm gonna do about 2 coats of this mascara, and the way I like to apply my mascara, I like to push my lashes inward. You know, I wiggle them and I wiggle them inward. I feel like it applies a lot more mascara when I do it this way. I go in and then I pull them out. I also go on the top and do the same thing. Just be careful not to get it on your actual lid. If you do get it on your lid, just wait for it to dry off and then take it off. And that is it for the eyes. If you want to apply falsies, you can do so now. I'm not going to be applying falsies today, but if I were going to apply falsies, then I would have been using the Pure Diva falsies. Like I said, I have an appointment this morning. It's early in the morning, so I am not in the falsies mood right now. So I'm going to move on to the lips. I'm using Anastasia's liquid lipstick in Stripped. And right on top of the liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using this lip gloss by Cargo. It's named Towels. Just a little bit here in the center. And this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do apologize for all the crying and the barking and the coughing. It's been a crazy morning this morning. The dogs keep crying next door, they keep barking, and you know, all that stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure you do subscribe to my channel, follow my other social medias, watch my previous videos. Please share the video. If you share, you're helping me out. Like I said, YouTube is going through a lot of changes and I need to be shared. I guess I need to be shared so more people can view my channel, and if they like the channel or me, they can subscribe just like you guys have, and they can leave me comments and all that good stuff that happens here on YouTube. So thank you for watching. Until next time, my loves. Mwah. Hugs and kisses. Bye.